We are a Kung Fu school founded in 1988, and we also practice the lion and dragon dance during the Chinese New Year. Every student that you have seen today are also practicing the traditional and the wushu. Have you seen? Every movement is based on a Kung Fu position or a Kung Fu transition of movement, group of movements. So that make the lion alive. During the Chinese New Year's, our teams go to the restaurants, to the Chinese restaurant here in Belgium to make the lion dance. So we have a lot of contacts. A lot of restaurants are calling to ask if they can have the lion dance in their restaurant. So we are now working on putting every restaurant in a tour, because we have 6, 7 or 8 teams through Belgium, and we have to make the round. And also we have been asked in Brussels, in Ghent, Luxembourg. We are asked a lot of times. Also, students of our academy went to China to learn from Chinese master, Chinese Shifu, the lion dance, and that's why we are growing and developing our lion dance skills. We have been in China many times. We have made a lot of destination in China, so it makes also contacts, human contacts. Because I will also resume through four words, important words. It's culture, respect, unity, and tradition.